Okay, so I love learning how to make frozen foods better in an air fryer. You take 20 ounces of frozen tater tots. Do not thaw them. And then take 3 tablespoons of confectioner's sugar, or powdered sugar as my mother would say, and put it on these frozen tater tots. I'm gonna get it all out. All of it. Well, and then toss it, literally. And now what you want to do is you want to get the air fryer at 375. And this is the real trick. Are you ready? Dump them in. And I mean dump them back in. So I'm just going to let this go 10 minutes, and every couple minutes I'm going to toss them. Oh. Now, let me tell you something about dumping them out. This tray, see the tray in the bottom of this thing? It can fall out, so you kind of need to hold it while you pour them out onto, onto the wire rack. I really am a professional, I swear. So now they've cooled a little bit, and I want to tell you that my Oklahoma relatives would be proud of me to know that I eat ketchup on tater tots. And, you know, let's just be as insane as we possibly can be and make as big a mess as we can possibly. What do I think I am, a 20-year-old TikToker? And my fork went in and I heard the crunch. Come on. They're unbelievably crunchy on the outside. Maybe I need to get a little ketchup on that one. A little bit delicious. A lot delicious and super easy and better than just out of frozen. I'm Mark Scarborough, half of the team with Bruce Weinstein, and this is a recipe from our book.